Welcome to the French Riviera, where the sun-drenched city of Nice serves as the perfect base for exploring the surrounding beauty. Join us as we take you on a journey to discover the 5 best day trips from Nice. Just a short drive from Nice lies the glamorous Principality of Monaco. Explore the opulent Monte Carlo casino, stroll through the charming streets of the old town, and marvel at the grandeur of the prince's palace. Immerse yourself in the glitz and glamour of Cannes, known for its world-renowned film festival and pristine beaches. Take a leisurely stroll along La Croisette Promenade, indulge in some shopping and soak up the sun on the golden sands. Step back in time as you wander through the charming streets of Antibes. Explore the medieval old town, visit the Picasso Museum housed in a historic castle, and admire the breathtaking views of the coastline from the ramparts. Perched high above the Mediterranean, Ez Village offers a glimpse into the past with its cobblestone streets and ancient architecture. Explore the enchanting exotic gardens, visit the Fragonard perfume factory, and enjoy panoramic views of the coastline from the medieval ruins. From the glitz of Monaco to the charm of Antibes, the French Riviera offers an array of unforgettable day trip experiences. Plan your adventure from Nice and explore the beauty of this iconic region.